Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Engineering Mathematics DJ Ganit. In this lecture we are going to discuss one another question on the application of coefficient of variation. We know that coefficient of variation is given by standard deviation divided by mean times 100, and if we have more than one data sets, then coefficient of variation helps us to determine that which data set is more consistent. So as we know, coefficient of variation is the amount of variation in data sets. So the data set having less amount of variation will be considered as more consistent. Therefore, this data set having less coefficient of variation is more consistent. So this question is about consistency of a data set. We are given that the arithmetic mean of runs scored by 3 batsmen A, B and C in the same series of 10 innings are 50, 48 and 12 respectively. The standard deviation of their runs are 15, 12 and 2 respectively. Who is the most consistent of the three? So we have to find out that which batsman is most consistent, and we are given the mean of runs scored by these three batsmen, and we are also given the standard deviation of their runs. So all we have to decide is coefficient of variation for each batsman, and the batsman having less coefficient of variation as compared to other two will be considered as most consistent. So here I have prepared this type of table. Here I have written team. So team, there are three teams A, B and C. Here I have written their arithmetic means which are given. Arithmetic mean of team A is 50, that of team B is 48 and mean of team C is 12. Here I have written standard deviation. So these are the standard deviations of team A, B and C which are given. So we are given all these values. Values in column number 2 and 3 are given, and we all have to decide is coefficient of variation. So we know this formula. Coefficient of variation is equal to standard deviation divided by mean into 100. So for team A, coefficient of variation will be equal to standard deviation, that is 15, divided by mean, that is 50 times 100, so that is 30%. Similarly, coefficient of variation for team B is standard deviation of team B, that is 12, mean for team B, that is 48, 12 divided by 48 into 100, that turns out to be 25%. And coefficient of variation for team C equal to standard deviation of runs by team C, which is 2, divided by mean of runs for batsman C, that is 12 times 100. So we obtain that coefficient of variation for batsman C is this 16.6667, or if we round up, it is going to be 17%. So if we compare the coefficient of variation of all these three batsmen A, B and C, then coefficient of variation for batsman C is less than coefficient of variation for batsman B as well as coefficient of variation for batsman A. Therefore, batsman C is most consistent out of these three batsmen. So we have to write in this way: coefficient of variation for batsman C is less than the coefficient of variations for batsman A and B. Therefore, batsman C is more consistent of the three. So this is very easy question. We just have to remember this formula. Coefficient of variation is given by standard deviation divided by mean into 100. Here we are given standard deviation and mean for each batsman. So we just have to count coefficient of variations. And batsman C turns out to be batsman C has coefficient of variation as 17%, that is smaller than these two. Therefore, batsman C is more consistent. So this is all about this session. I hope you like it. Thank you.